Ready for the Super Bowl? The perfect comfort food to spoil friends and family during the game. Chipotle meatloaf stuffed with cheese and ham and some mashed potatoes. You're gonna love it. Let's begin. I have over here 1 cup of milk and I'm gonna submerge 2 slices of bread. This is gonna help us to stick together all the meat with all the other ingredients, and it's gonna also absorb some of the juices. So over here I have 2 pounds of ground beef and I'm adding half a cup of chopped onion. Also with this we're gonna complement with half a spoon of cumin. This gives such a flavor to this. You're gonna love it. It's kind of the Mexican spice over there. 1 spoon of oregano, that is also amazing when you're cooking meats, and I'm using 3 spoons of salt. Okay, we're gonna add this is about 1/4 of chopped parsley. Okay, there we go, 1/4 chopped parsley. And to stick all together, we're gonna use 1 egg. So break the egg, put it inside, and we are ready after 2 garlic cloves. All right, there we go. Look, this is how your bread is supposed to look. It's more like a dog that we are gonna add, and we are ready to mix all together to make this amazing meat. You know what? I have some leftover when I cooked this and I made it as hamburgers. The taste is amazing. Now, I have 2 spoons of the sauce of the chipotle, the one that comes in the can, and I'm adding 4 spoons of ketchup. Just mix it well, stir, 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 and now add to your meat. That's okay. All right, and now let's all mix it together. This is so flavorful, you have no idea. Look, I got this at Aldi, but if you don't have one, you can just make your own with foil paper. Just give the form of a bowl, and that'd be enough. Now let's fill it with some of the meat. All right, you want to save some space and soft meat because we're gonna fill this with ham. I have here 2 slices of ham, but make sure that the length of your base or whatever you're using is just the length of the ham. That's how you're gonna know how many slices you will need. I'm using 4 slices over here. There we go. And now I'm adding some cheese. This is jack cheese, the one that has some jalapeno on it because I want it a little bit spicy, but you can have it as Swiss cheese or whatever cheese you want, mozzarella, just the cheese you like. And now we're gonna roll it up. As you can see, I'm using some wax paper that's gonna help me to roll it up. There we go. I'm gonna put it inside my meat. There we go. Okay, if you have some leftover like me, just cut it. And now we're gonna cover it with more meat. Let's cover this with foil paper, and we are ready to go into the oven for about 1 hour and 10 minutes. This is how it looks like. So smelly. You have no idea how good this looks like and how good it smells. Now flip it over. There we go. And we're gonna cover it to give it some color and more flavor. I have some ketchup and chipotle over here, like 4 spoons of ketchup, 2 spoons of chipotle. Don't worry, it's only the sauce that comes in the can with the chipotle, so it won't be spicy. I put it back in the oven for about 5 minutes, or you can use the broil. Now let's make our mashed potatoes. I have 3 potatoes here. Calculate about 1 potato per person. And now let's put it to boil. Just make sure that they are full cooked. Stick a fork inside, and when they are fully cooked, it's gonna be fine. Now I'm gonna spray my meat over here, and I have over here some decorating pickles, I believe you call it, and this is cream cheese. I just put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Mix it well. It's just so it can become softer, and we can use it to decorate. Now let's just draw the balloon over here. The ball. That's again with the balloon. Okay, the ball. Okay, there's our Super Bowl. Now let's put 3 spoons of butter. You don't want it to boil. You just want it to warm up and to make the butter soft. I'm adding some cilantro and a garlic clove. If you can chop the garlic clove, that'd be better, so you can have all the flavor. Now let's mash our potatoes. There we go. I'm adding the butter that we just melt with some of the taste from the cilantro and the garlic. I'm adding 1 spoon of cream, and sour cream or Mexican cream, wherever you can find. Mix it well, and now we're ready to fill our mold. I got this mold, as I told you, at Aldi, but you can just give it the form with your hands. You won't have any problem. Let's decorate with the cream cheese, and this is the result. Look how amazing, and you have no idea how tasty. I hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel here at Spicy Latina Mom, and I see you next week with more amazing recipes. Enjoy the Super Bowl. See you soon.